You guys want to make money on YouTube? Well, let me tell you how. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, doing a quick daily dash. Going to the gym for the second time today because I just ate Roberto's, which is my favorite taco slash burrito place. I get a carne asada burrito. So anytime I eat some shit food, I always feel like I have to go work it out after. Anyways, today I wanted to talk because my friend asked me earlier today. He was like, "Hey, how do I monetize a YouTube channel?" And he's starting from scratch. So I wanted to give some advice because I make money off of YouTube. I don't make very much anymore because I literally just started making videos for the first time in 3 years. I pretty much didn't put out a video for 3 years. But when I had about 10,000 subscribers, I was making around $100,000 a year. I'm gonna talk to you guys about how I did it. So hopefully if you guys are starting a YouTube channel from close to scratch or something, you can start making money as quickly as possible with these tips that I'm going to give to you guys. So before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe for more videos like this. We kind of just do little daily dashes every single day where I just kind of drive with you guys and talk about what's on my mind. So this is what I did. So I was making a solid 30 to 40 grand or so around the time that I had 4,000 or so subscribers. So this is all during 2020. So I basically started my YouTube channel. Well, this channel's been around for well over 10 years, but I basically started becoming a YouTuber during COVID because I lost my job as an acrobat. Obviously, my show company wasn't able to put on shows during COVID because we weren't essential. So what I did was I started making YouTube videos about doing DoorDash because that's what I was doing to make money, was doing DoorDash. And I realized that I wasn't able to make very much money off of it, and I couldn't find I couldn't find any tips videos or anything, so I made a video called Postmates Cheat Codes. It was about Postmates at first. That video started going viral. I started making some ad revenue. Around the time that I was probably at like 2,000 subscribers, I started making around about $1,200 a month off of ad revenue. And the reason I was able to make around $1,200 a month with just about, it was probably like 2,000 or 3,000 subscribers, is because of the way that I tag the videos, guys. So this is tip number one. The first tip, possibly most important, is search engine optimization. I've been really good at this stuff for years. In fact, if you type in like extreme sports show, Las Vegas, or high energy stunt show, or even just the words tramp wall, which is basically what my stunt show and footwear company are based around, you will see us for sure. I've been doing this for years. So I already kind of had like a in on how to do search engine optimization. So if you look at almost all of my videos, there is a very key word that makes my videos extremely monetizable. So my channel was making around a penny per view for ad revenue on YouTube. And that is because I had keywords in there such as business, money tips, entrepreneur, side hustle, you know. All of these words, as a person who is spending ad money, so I'm also on the other side of it. I do run ads on Google and stuff for my company to sell shows and everything. And you pick the words and stuff that you want to advertise on. So, of course, if you pick big, nice words that like financial institutions and like other big money kind of stuff would put up, of course they would put it behind the word money, obviously. So that is tip number one. If you guys want to make more money, make it about, I mean, you know, whatever you want to make your channel on, that's what you should make it on. But of course, if you have keywords in there like money and stuff, it's going to make your video much more advertiser friendly. So that's how I would make more money off of it. Tip number two would be, well, I mean, of course, you got to get the ad revenue up. You have to get to 1,000 subscribers and stuff. But the second reason I was making a lot of money off of it was because I also own a footwear company and I'm selling products. So the first tip is kind of irrelevant until you get to 1,000 subscribers, because I believe you need 1,000 subscribers and like 100,000 minutes watched. Actually, I have no idea. It's something around there, or at least that's what it was a long time ago. Now it's probably way more than 100,000 minutes watched, to be honest. But with 0 subscribers, so that first tip is only for the people that make the qualifications. If you don't make the qualifications yet, here's what you can do. You can make a product. You can sell that product. Obviously, that's not that easy, but life isn't going to be easy and YouTube isn't going to be easy, or everyone would do it. So I already had a footwear company. I was selling shoes off of the YouTube channel. I put a discount code, if you guys see at the end of the video, which please go pick up some shoes. I would put a discount code at the end that helps monetize the video, and I put a link down in the description so you can click on the link and go buy some shoes from me. So if you have a product or something, I would probably recommend starting off with t-shirts. You know, like let's say you have a video about cats. I'm just gonna go with cats because I love cats. You can make cat t-shirts for literally, like, you buy a heat press, you buy the heat press thingies, whatever you want to call it. I make t-shirts literally all the time. I just printed this shirt earlier today. And then you buy t-shirts from jiffyshirts.com or some other website. That's where I get them from. And for like a couple $100, you have a t-shirt company business, and then you could sell them to your followers after. So doing that is probably what I would say would be like the second tip. And I would recommend, if you actually want to turn YouTube into a career, you do all 3 of these tips. Because the next tip is having sponsors. You don't have to have a minimum subscriber count for sponsors. Sponsors, so actually I'm going to do 4 tips. Sponsors are, you know, you can have a subscriber basically at any range, but you're probably going to need a couple thousand subscribers. So obviously after so real quick backstory, there was an app called Para back in the day. For those of you who've been following me for a while, you know my channel got really popular during this Para phase because it was like basically illegal on DoorDash, and I was using it. So I would literally hook in people like saying I might get deactivated for this and blah blah blah, all that kind of stuff. And a lot of people watch my channel just kind of waiting for me to, like, I would see all the comments, this guy's so dumb, he's for sure getting deactivated. Anyways, so I would get paid money by the company, Para, the app. It was an app. It would show your tips before that you would get there, so that way you knew how much money you were making. It's kind of a hack. And the company paid me, and then they paid me a residual or a commission, $1 per download. And man, I made these videos really exciting, and I got a lot of people to sign up. I got over 10,000 people to sign up in just 1 month off of one video. One video paid me over $10,000 a month just off of a sponsorship deal. So if you're good at what you do, you can make that kind of money. Anyways, tip number 4, which I think is the most important part about making, or not the most important, but easiest way to make money off of YouTube, I just did in my last video, or second to last video, is have a credit card or a Robinhood account or a Coinbase account, or I'm just giving you guys examples of like apps and companies that offer this kind of stuff. So for example, my Amex Platinum card has a referral program. If I have one of you guys sign up, which you should totally sign up, because Amex Platinum cards are the shiznit. Excuse me, burping up Mexican food. If you guys sign up using my link that's down in the description, I will get 25,000 points, which I believe is about $250. So anyone can put a link like that in their description, and all it takes is for you to be good at what you do or make one popular video. Like if you start out with 0 subscribers, you can easily have a viral video, especially if you're good at tagging stuff correctly. So if you look down at my descriptions and stuff, maybe not necessarily anymore because I'm a lot lazier about it and YouTube isn't my main income like it was before, but tagging stuff, the more, like if I make a video on cat toys, I would want to put in the description, the word cat toys about 10 times or so. Just keep, I'm making this video on cat toys because I love cat toys, and here's some things about cat toys that you might like. If you want more information on cat toys, blah, 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 the more search engine optimization that is in the video, the more likely Google is going to put you in there, because when you search on Google, because YouTube is Google, when you search on there, it usually starts off with most relevant. So what's most relevant? Of course, what's most relevant is or a video that literally has the word cat toys typed in 100 times versus one that just has it in the title once or something, you know? So if you get good at that, you can put that in there. And anyways, anyone can get a Robinhood account, anyone can get a Coinbase account, or any of these like crypto accounts or something. And if you put your referral link in there and someone else signs up, you will get money. Every time I go into my Robinhood account, because I literally don't even own any stocks, or I don't own any stocks anymore, but I still get residual income from free stocks. You know, they'll say, if you have someone sign up, we'll give you a free stock valued up to blah, blah, blah. It's literally always $5 to $10 though, which is not bad if one person signs up using your link. Dang, I need to get a little tanner. Just kidding. Dad jokes are bad. But anyway, so hopefully you guys took some tips away from this video. I think number 4, the 4th tip that I gave you about putting links in there, you know, and of course there's more, I'm sure, but these are just the ways that I do it and the ways that I've done it. And send it, guys. Just do it. Get creative. So, like, you know, if you want a product, or like, it's good to diversify. So having a product or something that you're selling is always a good idea. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to support me or my business, go click on one of those links down there. Buy some shoes from my footwear company. I design all the shoes myself, and we literally sell them across the entire world. Also, if you guys have any ideas for places that might want to book my stunt show, we have a 10 grand minimum, and I pay out a 10% commission. So if you know of a big fair or festival or something that I should reach out to, send it to, you can send it on my email address. I don't like to tell you guys my email address, because once you get put on one of these freaking spam lists, they wreck your email addresses with spam and scams and stuff. So you can find it on my website, offAxisacrobatics.com. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Hopefully you guys go make some money off YouTube.